In the series of learning programming languages, let us start with our first video, Introduction to Programming. So, as an engineering student, we need to know what is a program and what is a software. Program ante enti? Program is nothing but set of instructions is called a program. And what is a software? ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అన్నిటిని రన్ చేసేదాన్ని సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అంటాం. అంటే సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్. నవ్ ఇన్ ది ఎర్లీ స్టేజెస్ కంప్యూటర్ language ఏంటి? It is a binary language. See, computer cannot understand the language. Computer cannot understand Hindi language, Telugu or English. It only understands a language called binary language, and that language is of only zeros and ones. So the language of the computer is binary language. And this binary language is nothing but zeros and ones. Binary language antene zeros and ones. 0 and 1. So how this binary language would be? It might be like this, some 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0, so on. So it is a combination of zeros and ones. So how a computer runs now? Computer runs only by a program, and this computer cannot do anything if there is no program in it. So the first point is computer runs by programs, and if your computer is not having any of the programs, then it can't do anything. So what is the heart of the computer? CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit, and this Central Processing Unit is the heart of the computer. So this is the basic introduction to programming languages. In the next video, I'll start with what is the history of C language.